Alright, NRA 2019. This is a DVC Staccato P with a 4.15 inch barrel, kind of like your Commander length 2011. It's got the new 2011 logo on the side there. It's in black. Fiber optic front. American flag on the side. Staccato P label. Another Staccato P 2011. Diamond carbon black, I think they're calling this. Pretty cool gun there, guys. Fixed rear sight. Small mag well for carry. Now getting into the DVC competition guns. Here's your 2011 limited gun, DVC. American flag now on the lower there. DVC limited gun, fiber front, lightning cuts in the slide, chromed slide, looks like a kind of a dull on the frame, small magwell there, stippled grip, of course. DVC limited gun, hard chrome with the black DLC barrel. I think this is a blackened frame, blackened slide as well. Stipple grip. Beaver tail, of course. American flag on the frame. DVC limited with a star. Pretty cool gun. I like the black. Wish mine was in black. Another one here. DVC limited with a gold TIN coated barrel. All blacked out. Fiber front. Pretty cool setup for your limited gun in USPSA or IPSC. Check out STI online.